This was a video requested by majority of homeowners. Is there a video tutorial to show the process of selecting a person for the job as well as paying for the service? So in this video, once you post your job, you start getting bids. You can click on my job section. This is your posted job. Scroll down to see which job you're looking at. In this case, I'm looking at this job. I'm able to review all the bids. I can click on each individual. I can see what they've done, look at pictures, and if I have questions, I can always request or chat with them just to get some more information. Feel free to ask them any questions you like. Now let's just say, assuming you found a person. In this case, I'm going to use this here. You simply hit the book now. It's going to ask you to add a card. Once that card is added to the system, there will be a hold on the amount of what the job is into an escrow account. Once the actual job is completed and the contractor sent you an invoice with pictures, and if there was any additional charges, obviously those needs to be discussed into the chat, then you'll be able to rate your experience and give us the okay to release the funds to the vendor that did the work. It's really that easy.